Here's a really quick tutorial on how to use IXL. And so what I've done already is I clicked on one of the IXL links in the Algebra Readiness course, and IXL has directed me to sign in to my account. And so if you have an account, make sure you press the remember button. This is going to be really helpful because you will not have to sign in and type in your information every single time. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here. And when I go ahead and sign in, it actually gives me my name at the top. It says, "Welcome, Mr. Peterson." And so what I'm doing here is I'm evaluating exponents. And so a couple features in IXL that are really awesome. The first one is that if you get a question wrong, say if I write 6 down for this, even though I know it's not 6, I know it is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. But say if I think it is 6 and I hit submit, it's going to say, "Sorry, incorrect. The correct answer is 8. And what it gives me is it gives me this explanation here. So it gives you the question. And then it says, remember, an exponent tells you how many times its base is used as a factor. Exponents are used to write repeated multiplication. So it gives you examples of it. And then it actually gives you the way to solve this problem. And so when you get something wrong, this is a really great tool to make sure that you understand the concept. So I'm going to hit the got it button, and it's going to give me a new one. So now it says 2 to the second power, 2 squared. So I'm going to say, oh, I remember that's repeated multiplication. So that's 2 times 2, which is going to give me 4, and I'm going to hit submit. And it says it's wonderful. So I'm going to keep going that. And your goal is to get a SMART score right here where it says SMART score out of 100. You want to get that out of 80. It will be a really great SMART score. You can see at the bottom here, it says hit a rough spot, work it out. And so it always gives you some suggestions here to help better your understanding. So if you're stuck on evaluating exponents, it is okay to click on one of these links to help you. So if I click on understanding exponents, it's going to give you some helpful, useful information. So it says write the expression using an exponent. So I'm going to say the base is 2 and the exponent is 3. Even though I know it's 4, I'm just going to put 3 down. And when I hit submit, once again, it gives me the explanation on how to solve it. Yay, I got this. I read that explanation, so it's 4 to the power of 3 or 4 cubed, like that. And so this is a really great tool to use and go through your practice after you watch the video on the Algebra Readiness course. And so if you want to explore even more further in IXL, say you finish the Algebra Readiness course, what you can do is you can click on Virginia SOL, and it will actually give you grades all the way across the top. So obviously you don't want pre-K skills or K skills because those are from way back when you were little. But if you want to explore 8th grade or Algebra 1, you can click on either one of these. 8th grade would be more of a pre-algebra. Obviously Algebra 1's high school algebra. And you can actually work on different skills here that are found in algebra. And so the further you explore, the more practice you can get to be even more successful in Algebra 1.